Hi, this is Ambritt from Louisville Public Library. Today we're going to be doing some crafting, but I wanted to let you know we're going to have a grab bag the first Monday of every month. It's going to be related to the craft. There'll be supplies in there for you, and it will correspond with that Saturday's video. So this will be once a month, the first Monday of the month. Also, if you could leave a comment, we'd really appreciate it. It truly helps the library. Just let us know how many people are watching at home and if there's anything else you'd like me to do in the crafting videos or different crafts you'd like to see. Okay, let's get started. Hi, so today we're going to be making this little branch arrangement. It's super inexpensive to make and looks really cool in your home. You could put it in any room. I'm thinking of doing it like in the like dining room maybe. Might be cool on the table. So yeah, it's made with sticks found outside, some pom-poms, and a vase. Super simple. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's go over the supplies we need today to make this craft. So again, this is like a colorful branch craft. You want to gather some branches from outside, and then you'll need a vase. You could use a vase you have at home, or I bought this one at Dollar Tree for $1. I put some rocks in it. There's just some black stones. It kind of has some filler. You could also use some crystals, clear crystals, or if you wanted to make it super colorful, you could put pom-poms in the bottom, just like a filler. So of course we'll make some pom-poms, any size, any colors. I'm going to do like a rainbow today. You could do all like blue or all purple, or do some sort of like color combination. Since Christmas is coming up, you want to just do like red and green and white. That would look nice. I'm going to do rainbow. You will need a hot glue gun with some glue. This is going to work best because you want something, it's going to dry quick and really stick. So take your sticks out, then figure out how many pom-poms you want to do onto your branch. Again, this branch was found outside. I just have 3 pieces here, and then this bigger one here. You could do more or less. You could get like a smaller vase and do smaller pieces and then just cut your branches. So if you have like a really small vase, you just cut that. But I like the look of this tall one in this, it's an average size vase. So take your pom-poms that you want. So again, I'm doing rainbow, and I'm preferring these smaller pom-poms. They're not like the really teeny ones, but they're also not like giant ones. I don't really want to use those ones. These are the really teeny ones I was talking about. I want a bigger one. Again, I'm doing rainbows of all colors. Gathered some pom-poms. Get some more. I will definitely more than this, but let's just get started and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. So take your pom-pom, put it wherever you see a spot where you think there should be just a little bit, like there's like a little divot there. These little areas where there's a branch, going to be forming. So take some glue, put it on the branch, and then just stick the pom-pom right on there. Drive it. Okay, and then I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to do orange right here. And then just stick it on there. And then do one there. So then you're just putting your glue on there and then sticking your pom-pom to the glue. Get the excess, just take that off. Put it there since there's a slot there. I think I'll do white. I'm going to gather some more pom-poms and take just a quick little break. I will show you some more attachments. Okay, so I have gathered some more pom-poms, set them aside here, and we're going to finish decorating this branch. So you don't have to always do it on, you know, a spot where there's like something, something poking out. You can just do it on flat surfaces as well. So I just added some glue there and just really work just as well. I just kind of like hiding these little spots. And it's up to you however many you want to add. If you want to add a lot more than me or even less. Or again, you can do like a colored theme. It doesn't have to be rainbow. Let's see, I need yellow. Just kind of, look at it as you're going, decide, how many more do you need? So again, just put some glue and stick your pom-pom onto that glue. Okay, so I'm going to finish this branch and then these, and we will come back and you will see what it looks like again at the end. Okay, so I've finished adding all the pom-poms to the branches. So for arranging it, I just set this one down. Make sure to set it down, into whatever your filler is. Really shut down in there. So for this one, I just kind of see what looks nice. So you want to see your pom-poms. There we go. So now, make sure it's really in there. Okay, there we go. So now you can set this on a table. It would look nice like at a desk or in the living room, something like that. I just think it's a really cute, fun, inexpensive craft, and I really hope you enjoy it. Join us again next week. Thanks for watching our video today. Join us again next week and every week on Saturdays for a crafting video. Also, again, there'll be a grab bag once a month on Mondays, the first Monday of the month, corresponding with that Saturday's craft. Again, please leave us a comment in this video. We'd really appreciate it. It helps us a bunch. And don't forget to stay safe out there.